Hi student, again today with our same topic differential equation. Till now in our last video what we have discussed, yesterday we have discussed about our solutions of our homogeneous equation. In our last video we have seen that what is our homogeneous equation, how can we check the given equation is homogeneous, and then I have taken some problems and on the problems I have explained to you how to check that the given equation is homogeneous, and then after it how can we solve the given homogeneous equation. Before I am going to take any other questions to solve homogeneous equation there. Look, I am just going to again revise you. To check any given equation is homogeneous, what we have to do, we have to replace x by lambda x, and or you take kx or any tx there, and then replace y by lambda y. Then if our fxy is equal to lambda to power n fxy, then we say that our given equation is nth degree homogeneous equation in x variable x and y. Then it is about to check the given equation is homogeneous or not. Now look, again I am going to revise you the steps to solve homogeneous differential equation. What we have to do, first of all, transform the our differential equation, take dy dx on the left hand side and transform all equations or variables containing x, y in the right hand side, and then that put y in first step put y equal to vx, in second step differentiate y equal to vx, then you get the value of dy dx equal to y plus v dv dx, dy dx equal to v plus x dv dx. Then in third step what we will do, solve the after putting dy dx equal to v plus x dv dx, solve the steps and then separate the variables. After separating variables, then you have to be integrated. Then lastly, when after integration you have to put the value of v is equal to y by x. This is our solution step to solve any given differential equation. Then again I am here with some problems with our questions, which is our Bayesian homogeneous equation. One of the first problem I am going to discuss with you, it is that we have to show that the differential equation given by, it's given here, x square y dx. We have to solve x square y dy dx minus x cube plus y cube dy we have x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube dy equal to 0 is homogeneous and then also we have to find its primitive solutions. Then we have to find its solution there. Look, what is the question we have given x square dy dx minus x cube plus y cube dy equal to 0, and then we have to find its solution there. Then look, what we have to do there, I am just going to find its solution. Look, what I am telling you, we have to find the solution. First of all, we have to be, I hope so, I have done the x square y, I have done a little bit mistake there. So the differential equation given by x square y is just dx and minus x cube plus y cube dy. Now look, first of all we have to transform in the, what I am telling to you, before going to check it's a differential equation or not, first of all we have to be transformed in the form of dy by dx is equal to, take dy dx in your left hand side, and then what we have, dy by dx, what we have put here, dy by dx, then we have x square y upon x cube plus y cube. Now this is our differential equation, dy dx homogeneous differential. Now we have to be verify that this given equation is homogeneous or not. Then what we will do to show homogeneous, we have take our function f x y is x square y and x cube plus y cube. Now I'm again first of all we have to check that is the given equation is a homogeneous or not. Then what we have to take the function f x y equal to this. Then in this step now we take f lambda x lambda y, put here lambda x at the place of x, at the place of y we are going to put lambda y, then we get lambda x cube plus lambda y cube. Now after what we have taking lambda common there, then from numerator we have lambda square into lambda cube, and here we have x square, and here this is our y. In denominator we take lambda cube common, then what we have x cube here and we have y cube. Now look our f lambda x lambda y, now what is it's given by f of lambda x lambda y, now it's given by lambda to power 0, and this the whole format is what our f of xy. This is our f of xy. Now we have checked that f lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda to power 0, fxy, it's our homogeneous equation. Now we have verified the given equation is our homogeneous. Now look we have to find out its solution there. Then we are going to find out its solution. I'm just going to rub this because to solve differential equation we need a look all differential equation what we have to solve, it's take a little bit time here. Take out to solve if you are going to practice and more practice, then it takes 4 or 5 minutes to solve any differential equation. Then you have to will not practice there. Sorry, I forget it. I also rub the our required format. That's a dy dx equal to what we have. We have x square y x cube plus y cube. Look now after showing that its given equation is homogeneous, now we are going to be solve our given differential equation. Then what is our step? First of all, what we are going to put y equal to vx. Therefore we are putting after y equal to vx we have dy dx is equal to what? V plus x dv dx. V plus x dv dx. Now the value of this v plus x dv dx, what we have to go in using 1 and 2. Now what we have v plus x dv dx is equal to, here we put the y equal to vx, then it's a vx cube and it's a x cube, and when we put y equal to vx then we have v cube x cube. Now what we are going to write down again, v plus x dv dx is equal to, take out common x cube, then we have v cube, take out x cube, then we have 1 plus v cube, cancel out this. Now what we have now v plus x dv dx is equal to v cube upon 1 plus v cube. Now we are going to shifting our this we have v plus x dv is equal to v cube upon 1 plus v cube. Now to solve we are going to shift our this v to our right hand side. Now then what we have now minus v cube, minus this v. Now taking LCM, and then what we have x dv dx is equal to v cube minus v cube minus v to power 4 upon 1 plus v cube. Now it's cancel out, then we have x dv dx is equal to minus v to power 4 upon 1 plus v cube. Now after now we are not going to able to further solve it. Now we have to be separate our variables. Now what we have x dv dx is equal to what? We have x dv dx equal to minus v to power 4 upon 1 plus v cube. Now we have to be solve it we have to separate our variables. Then after separating variables, what we have? We have 1 plus v cube upon v to power 4 this dv is equal to minus transferring this dx by x. Now we have 1 plus v cube by v to power 4 dv equal to minus dx by x. Now what we have to do? Yes, we have to be now integrating both sides. Now we are going to integrating our both sides. Then what do we have after integrating both sides? We are going to integrate. Look, it's a 1 plus v cube. We take 1 upon v4, 1 upon v to power 4 dv. Then plus integration of v cube upon v4. What do we have? V cube upon v4. What we have? Yes, we have 1 upon v dv equal to integration of minus dx by x. Now after integration, it's a v to power minus 4. Then what do we have? After integration, we have it's a minus v cube by minus 3. What we have? After integration, what we have? It's a v to power 4 minus then v to power minus 4 plus 1. It's a v to power minus 3 and minus 3. And what we have here? We have it's a 1 by v is what? Log v. And here we get integration of dx by x with minus here. We get what? Log x, and then we have to do. Then what we have? We are going to take it's our constant plus c. Now after integration, what we get? We get v to power minus 3 by minus 3 plus log v equal to minus log x plus c. Now after putting these values, what we have to do? Now we have to be put. This is our required solution, but we have to be in our last step. What we have to put? We have to put at the place of v what? Y by x. Then when we are going to put here, actually it's minus 1 by 3. We can write down it's minus 1 by 3 v cube. Taking positive bits, then log v equal to minus log x plus c. Then now when we are going to put at the place of v from here y by x, then it's a minus x cube upon y cube, and we have this 3 here, plus log y by x equal to minus log x plus c. Now look up. I'm not going to be further solving, so I'm just going to explain you. What here we have? We have minus x cube upon 3y cube. Plus look, here we have log y by x. Then it's again further solve. It's a log y minus log x equal to minus log x plus c. Then this minus log x cancel to each other. Then further after one we have to further solve it. Our log y by x can be represented in the form of log y minus log x. Minus log x cancel. Then our last solution is what? It's a minus x cube upon 3y cube log y is equal to c. This is our required solution. This is our required solution for our given differential equation. I'm again just going to revise you. Look what we have. We have our equation is what? X square y dx minus x cube plus y cube. Then what do? We are going to be first of all in the transfer it in the form of dy by dx. Then it's a dy is equal to given by x square y, and it's a x square y upon x cube plus y cube, and y equal to vx. Then we have to put y equal to vx. Then after putting y equal to vx, what we do? We are going to put it's a dy dx equal to v plus x dv dx. Then after putting v plus x dv dx, we have to put at the place of dy dx what? V plus x dv dx. Then after putting v plus x dv dx, we have to be solve it. After solving, we get our in last after variable separable, we have get x dv dx equal to minus v to power 4 1 plus v cube. Then after using separation of variables, we get it's a 1 plus vq upon v to power 4 dv is equal to minus dx by x. After using separation of variables, what we do? We are just going to integrate it. After integrating, we put the at the place of v y by x, and after solving, we get our required result is what? It's a minus x cube upon 3y cube plus log y equal to c. Now we are moved to with our next problem. I'll move to solve now to explain you next problem. Again, it's belongs to our homogeneous equation. Look, our next question is what we have. We have to show that the differential equation 2x y dash equal to x cube plus 3y square is homogeneous, and it's possible then find its solution. Then what is our differential equation? We have to solve 2xy y dash equal to x square plus 3y square. First of all, we have to show. Look, it's a y dash means it's our. This is our y dash. It means it's our dy dx. Then what we have from here? Our differential equation now dy. This is our dy dx. Dy dx equal to what? X square plus 3y square upon 2xy. Now look up. We can also check roughly this is a given equation is our homogeneous or not. There is also a rough way to check out all the variables power is same or not here. Look, we have to check all the powers, all the terms of each variable powers. Look, the power of here x is what 2, the power of variable y is what 2. Now here denominator 1 plus 1 2. Then look up, it's a rough way to check it's a homogeneous or not. And now look, but we have to be so here. So the differential equation, this is a homogeneous equation. We have to be so it's a given equation is homogeneous. It's one of the easy way to show. Look, fxy equal to take fxy equal to x square plus 3y square upon 2xy. Then we have to take f lambda x lambda y at the place of x, take lambda x square plus 3 lambda y whole square, then 2 lambda x lambda y, then common take lambda here, then we have lambda square here lambda, and lambda square, then what we have x square plus here 3y square. Also we take lambda square, then we have taking lambda and lambda square, then we have 2xy. Now finally what we have, f lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda to power 0 x square plus 3y square upon 2xy, means it's a lambda 0 f of xy. Our f of lambda x lambda y is lambda to power 0 fxy. Now we have to show that we are showing that its given equation is our homogeneous. Now it's easy to show the given equation is homogeneous. I hope so. Are you able to show it's easily there? Now look, we are going to find out its. We have to basically find out solution of differential equation. It's homogeneous. Then now we have to go to solve differential equation. Look again. What I've said, first of all, take a form in differential in dy dx. Now it's in our left hand side dy dx, and our this is the right hand side, our variables there. Now our first step, put y equal to, what do we put? Yes, we are going to put y is equal to vx. After putting y equal to vx, now therefore what we have, our dy dx is what? Yes, it's a v plus x dv dx. Now this is our 2 using equation 1 and 2, putting the value of dy dx here. And now what we have? We have v plus x dv dx. Now v plus x dv dx is equal to, here our x square plus 3, at the place of y we have to put vx, then we have v square x square, and here vx, then we have 2vx square. Now take a common x square and cancel numerator from numerator and denominator. Then finally what we have, 1 plus 3 v square upon 2v, and we here we have v plus x dv dx. Now transferring this v to our right hand side, then what we have? We have x dv dx is equal to 1 plus 3 v square upon 2v minus v. Now further we are going to solve it. Further what we have? We have now x dv dx is equal to 1 plus 3 v square. This is minus 2v square upon 2v. Then finally what we have after solve it? We have 1 plus v square upon 2v. Now look, finally what we have? We have x dv dx is equal to 1 plus v square 2v. Now we are not going to, we are not able to further solve. It's the simplest form. Then what we have? Now we have to separate our variables from here. After separating variables, now what we have? We have 2v upon 1 plus v square dv is equal to dx by x. Then till now we have do our how many steps there? We have completed our first step, put y equal to vx. In second step, put dy dx equal to v plus x dv dx. In third step, we are going to separate our variables. Now in fourth step, we have to be, yes, we are going to be integrated. Now integrating both sides, then we have integration of 2v upon 1 plus v square dv is equal to integration of dx by x. Then now look, we are going to integrate 1 plus v square. When we are going to take 1 plus v square, yes, we are going to put 1 plus v square equal to t. Look, 1 plus v square equal to t. Then we have 2v dv is equal to dt. We get 2v dv is equal to dt. Then our question is changed to integration of dt by t. dt by t means we have log t. What is our t? It's a 1 plus v square. Then the integration of this 2v upon 1 plus v square is what? It's a log 1 plus v square. And our right hand side, it's very easy to find out it integration. It's the integration of dx by x. Now look, we have get our variables in the terms of log. Here we get log of x mod x. Then we, our constant is also, yes, log c. Now log mod of 1 plus v square equal to log of, it's a log m plus log n. Then what do we do? We have to take in the multiply. It's a log cx. Then 1 plus v square is equal to plus minus cx, because it's a modulus value. Then we have to take all our positive negative values. Now it's our solution there, but we have to put at the place of v what? Y by x. Then 1 plus y square by x square. You can take plus minus here, also you can take any constant c1 there. It's not a big issue too. Then plus minus cx, after taking LCM, what we have? X square plus y square by x square equal to plus minus cx. After shifting this x square to right, then we have x square plus y square equal to plus minus cx cube. This is our required solution of our given differential equation. Now look, again I am going to be revise you. We are started with our given differential equation dy by dx equal to x cube plus 3y square upon 2xy. Then put v equal to y equal to vx. Then we what we have? Our dy dx equal to given by v plus x dv dx. Then v plus x dv dx equal to x square plus 3v square x square upon 2v x square. Then v plus x dv equal to what? After taking common, take common of x square and cancel to numerator denominator. Then we have 1 plus 3v square upon 2v. Now x dv dx equal to 1 plus 3v square upon 2v minus v, shifting our v to our right hand side. After solving, we get what we get? 1 plus v square upon 2v. Now finally we have x dv dx equal to 1 plus v square upon 2v. From here we are separating our variables. Then we have 2v upon v plus 1 is v square dv equal to dx by x. Then integrating both sides, after integration we get log of modulus of 1 plus v square equal to log mod x plus log c. Then it's log m plus log n. Then it's a log m into n, and log 1 plus v square equal to log cx. Then we have 1 plus v square plus minus cx. Up in last at the place of we have to put y by x, then we have 1 plus y square by x square plus minus cx, and finally after solving last we have it's a x square plus y square plus minus cx cube. This is our last, it's primitive solution there. And now we have find out the solution of the given differential equation. Let's take another example. Take one more question. Look, it's a what problem I have taken. It's a last year. It's a NCERT exemplar problem, and also asked in our last year previous board examination problem. It's a so that the following differential equation is a homogeneous and find a primitive of if it's possible. And the problem is that it's a x dy minus y dx. What is given there? It's an important problem. X dy minus y dx. We have x dy minus y dx equal to under root x square plus y square dx. Under root x square plus y square dx. Please understand carefully. This is because it's an exemplar problem and also as in last examinations on board. Then look, here we have dx divided by dx both sides. What we have x dy dx minus y equal to under root x square plus y square. First of all, we are going to solve it. Then now what we have x dy dx equal to y plus under root x square plus y square upon, sorry, now we cannot take upon. Now finally what we have dy dx equal to y plus under root x square plus y square upon x. Then after solving our required differential equation can take a form is what we are going to write down here, because we have to need a space here. Now our differential equation is what dy dx equal to y plus under root x square plus y square upon x. Now our differential equation is what? It's a what? Dy dx equal to y plus under root x square plus y square upon x. Now look, we have to be so it's homogeneous. Please do by yourself. So it's homogeneous. Put in the here lambda y and lambda x, lambda y and lambda x. We again you can easily so this it's a homogeneous equation. We are just going to solve it. Look, what we do? We start with y equal to vx. Then we have our dy dx equal to v plus x dv dx. And this is our 2. This is our 1 from using equation 1 and 2. Now what we have? Yes, we have v plus x dv dx is equal to we have vx plus under root x square plus v square x square upon x. Then we have v plus x dv dx equal to cancelling taking out common x. Then what we have? Then cancel x. Then we have v plus under root take out common x. Then we have only 1 plus v square. And this v and v is also cancelled. Then now what we have? X dv dx equal to under root 1 plus v square. Now we have to separate our variables. Then we have what? dv is equal to under root 1 plus v square equal to dx by x. Now what we have finally after separation of variables, what we have? We have integration of dv upon 1 plus v under root 1 plus v square equal to dx by x. Then now we have to be integrating both sides. Then integration of dv upon under root 1 plus v square equal to integration of dx by x. Now look, what is our integration of dv? Integration of dx upon under root a square plus square. Yes, what we have? It's log in mod x plus under root a square plus x square. Then what we have? Here we get log, what we get? Log x plus, then now we have v, then v plus this under root 1 plus v square. Here we get log x, again both are in the log, then we have take log c. Now log v plus under root 1 plus v square equal to log, this is m plus n means m into n log cx. Then finally what we have to check, now we have to be, then what we have, then v plus under root 1 plus v square log x equal to log y, then x equal to plus minus y, then we have plus minus cx. Now then after in last step we have to put, yes, we have to put y by x plus under root y square by x square means x square plus y square upon y square is equal to plus minus cx. This is our required solution of, further we can also solve it. Look up v equal to y by x, then I have done mistake there, it's a y by x, then we have x there. Further also we can solve it because it's a x there, take common x and multiply with it, then our final solution is what, it's y plus under root x square plus y square equal to plus minus cx square. This is our solution of our given differential equation. Okay, for today class it is enough for you. Please go through all problems and revise it. Thanks to all.